Oh, Dick. How you making out? Found her all right?
How's it going?
I'll move that bullshit. Not too bad.
You might be able to, are you going to be here? Or?
Yeah.
I was just wondering, we might be able just to use that where it is for...
Right on, yeah, if you can use it, sure. Because you can just stand on it and put your tracks right on there, right?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah,
I
for
could
sure.
Backhang that one.
As long as it's not in your way, I can just leave it right there.
And then maybe you can move it over here and I can... Well, doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, you can do one or move it, do another one, that's fine.
I couldn't really remember how high the ceiling is here.
11 feet.
But it's actually not that bad. I didn't even need to bring my big ladder.
Right on, yeah. But yeah, I mean, if you want to use that, you can use that. Put one on and then we'll just move it back, put the other one on. Or if that's how you do it, I don't know. But, you know.
Well, you know what? Let me just It's actually not that high. Maybe what I'll get you to do is just move it.
Right on.
Just because it might be more of a pain in the ass than anything.
Right on, no worries.
How easy is it for you to move out?
Oh yeah, I can just move it out, yeah.
Okay, let's just do that and then it's out of the way.
Right on. So I should have room to get this in with the doors on, eh?
What's that? I'll
have room to, you know, the doors won't hang down lower than that. I'll be able to still get this in and out. Right on. Oh, just fucking exhilarated. I can't fucking wait. Yeah, man, very excited to have the garage doors put in. It's, you know how things go around here, right? So it's like, I figured I picked Zavitz, you know? I figured I picked like the Zavitz doors or something, you know, right? That's how you get a car ready, boys. Blocky Schblockens. I'll have to go and check on these garage door decks, see how much garage door they got in the time it took me to get a car ready. Have to get Nelson's sister and face down here. This one's a bit of a bitch. Holy shit. And that's just about the whole operation. Oh yeah. That's fucking awesome. Sneak attack into the backwards, eh? Decent. Oh, there she is. 2 cars done. Plus I stood around and babysat those guys a little bit. Oh, they're doing good work. Got to deal with the catastrophe that I left them to screw the doors to, you know what I mean? So, see how they're doing. Oh, Dick. Got car 3 and 4 in here. Just gotta get these wheels off, and that's 3 down. Okay. Good Lord. Oh, did I even unbolt them? Oh, shit. How is that even possible? Good Lord. I think once the sand wall's in, you know, you can keep most of the weather out. I'll put the tire machine right over here. That word's way less inconvenient. And I can like do them as I get them, and not get Nelson's sister all mad at me all the time. He loves tires big time, but holy. 80, 90 tires, cool. 300-400 tires. You know, I lie to him every time. Oh, there's only like 40 tires. There's 400. You know what I mean? So I tell him there's 400, he won't come. I tried that before. Like, oh yeah, man, I need your help. 400 tires. Oh, 400. Yeah. Not this weekend, buddy. Eh? All I got's the battery in this one, and it's ready. Yeah, nobody wanted that friggin' mechanical diesel. I should keep that, but Mr. Bitchy, Turbski onto it and everything. Good Lord, unbelievable. Unbelievable. There she is, boys. Looks like they're just finishing up there. One car is done today. Got an afternoon filled with undercurtains. Check out my new doors. Huh? Oh man. It's like every step that gets accomplished is like a notch out of my stress levels big time. Like real bad. Is it awesome?
That?
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's fantastic.
Yeah, we just pretty much gotta put the weather strip on it. I got a couple of little minor things I gotta do.
Oh, dick. Ah.
What's that? Maybe two will do it.
Learn something new every day. Appreciate it.
Rob, see you later.
Yeah, have a good day. See if we can get in under the door. Holy shit. Friggin' rights, boys. Friggin' decent. Almost the same height. Yeah. 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 Oh, I missed it. Son of a bitch. Somebody drove by and they're exquisite terrible. Not a bad accident. Good Lord, who put this here? Oh no. Oh no. Good fender too. Unbelievable. Oh man. But yeah, I called Buddy about the you know, it doesn't work. I don't know. Like I might be plugging it into the wrong shit. Have two outs going into the same. I don't know. But that traptor started to not work when I plugged that thing in. So that's not good. Hopefully I didn't wreck anything and I just gotta maybe switch some antlers around or something. But check that out, boys. Holy schneck of words. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, just got a couple little bits on the outside to finish. And different things. Got some under curtains coming relentless. So bang those out quick. And yeah, blockity splockins.